In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up Axiom with Nova. So the first thing you'll need is an Axiom Pro account, and there's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. If you sign up using my link, you will get a 10% discount on all trading fees forever, so make sure you check that out. Now, once you have your Axiom account, you want to open up a new tab and go to this link, which is click.tradeonnova.io, and you want to click Download for Chrome. From here, click Add to Chrome, and then add extension. After you've done that, in a few seconds, there we go, Nova extension has been added to Chrome. So once you've done this, you can close this Chrome Web Store tab, and in here it will then say Connect Telegram. You want to click on that, and over here it will give you the option to then sign in into Nova inside Telegram. So it's going to actually put you into a wait list, and you're going to have to wait a few hours up to a few days to be able to use it. However, there's a link down below in the description, and if you use my referral link, you will get instant access and you can skip the wait list. So if you want to do that and get some bonuses as well on trading fees, so some discounts, you can use my link and then sign up right away. Now, once you click on that link down below, you'll be able to click either Start Bot if you have the Telegram app on your computer, but if you want to use the web version, you can click Open in Web, and it's going to open inside the web version. In here, what you have to do is first click Launch Nova Click, and then Open, and after this, it will say Success. There we go, you are now connected to Nova Click. Press Got It, and then close this down, and in here, hover over the menu button and click on Menu, go to Settings, and then Nova Click, and make sure Use Panel Settings is enabled. So if it's like this, if it's red, click on the red circle and make it green. There we go. After that, you can close it down and you can go back to Axiom. Now inside Axiom, you want to click on the puzzle icon top right, and then where you can see the Nova extension, you simply want to pin it for easier access. And once you've done this, you can then click on it and power it on. So it says disabled, you want to enable it by clicking over here. And then you'll see you can set your preset buy amounts and your preset sell amounts if you want to, and then save them as you would like to. And if you've seen it, in case you've missed it, I'm going to tell you right now, so the screen will refresh. Now, my screen just refreshed over here, the website, and if I now go to any of the coins, so for example this one, you can now see the Nova panel over here, and you can start using it, and it's now been set up. You can switch between presets and basically buy and sell with it. Now, if you don't see this panel, you can just click over here on the Nova and click Enable Nova Panel, and it will appear on your screen. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.